None of us could forget those cute, cuddly Ewoks from Star Wars, right? But did you know? George Lucas, the mastermind behind Star Wars, wanted the Ewoks to be a mix of mysterious and adorable. He found the perfect combo by observing his family dog. That's right, the Ewoks' big eyes and playful behavior were inspired by man's best friend. So next time you watch Return of the Jedi, picture a room full of pups in tiny Ewok outfits. Hilarious, right? And let's be honest, don't we all secretly wish we had a pet Ewok? I mean, who wouldn't want a fluffy warrior companion? So there you have it, folks. Ewoks are basically space dogs. May the pause be with you.